The best canister vacuums of 2023. Suction Supreme. Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts and tech-savvy homemakers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest innovations that are changing the game in household maintenance. Today, we're about to unveil a cleaning powerhouse set to redefine how you approach tidying up your space with the best canister vacuums of 2023. For more information and the latest pricing, head over to the description below. Hoover Commercial PortaPower. Commercial vacuums are great for cleaning workshops, studios, gyms, and other business spaces with ease, but you can still use them at home. While the Miele Complete C3 Brilliant Canister Vacuum Cleaner took our best overall spot in our roundup of the best commercial vacuums, it's extremely expensive. So with that in mind, we think you can't go wrong with Hoovers PortaPower Canister Vacuum for residential use. It's an ultra-lightweight vacuum that packs a serious punch. Weighing at just 8 pounds, this unit is one of the easiest to carry while offering an industrial-strength motor and an extendable wand with 3 convenient attachments. For one, it features a 36-inch power cord and a shoulder strap, making it super easy to maneuver while channeling your inner Ghostbuster. You can clean just about any surface in tight space, and the added blower feature lets you tackle tough jobs on your to-do list that require forced air, such as blowing leaves. The bag design requires you buy extra bags to maintain this vac, but the bags tend to fill up quickly. However, a bag design means that your mess will be sealed away after you pick them off the floor, which is a bonus. Dyson Big Ball. The Dyson Big Ball rocketed to the top of the rankings because of its powerful suction and easy-to-use design. During our carpet test, the Multi-Floor's self-adjusting brush head picked up an average of 47% of the dirt we laid out in a single pass. The average in the lab hovers around 30%. Aside from power, the Multi-Floor provides plenty of features that make it easier to use. Our favorite is that this Dyson canister can't be tipped over. Its chassis and a few specially placed weights mean that the vacuum will always self-right. Anyone who has turned more than a handful of corners while vacuuming their home will particularly appreciate this feature. The excellent navigation and powerful suction also allows you to be more diligent with cleaning high-up areas. The Multi-Floor's handles can articulate and bend upward. It's a perfect accompaniment with the combination tools. Dust on vents won't stand a chance. Everything on the Dyson Big Ball Multi-Floors just feels well engineered. Parts click together in a satisfying manner. The cords automatically retract quickly, and the brush head turns on a dime. With such good suction power, the Dyson Big Ball will make an excellent canister vacuum for pet hair, area rugs, or really whatever you put it toward. If you're looking for a general floor cleaner that works on hardwood and carpet, this Dyson is our top pick for a reason. Kenmore. With its powerful suction and specialized attachment, it effortlessly removes pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. The advanced filtration system captures allergens and particles, improving indoor air quality. Additionally, it offers convenience features like easy-to-empty dust bins and versatile maneuverability. The Kenmore Pet Friendly is a reliable and efficient choice that delivers excellent performance for pet owners. Equipped with not only 1 but 2 powerful motors, this vacuum delivers superior suction performance on various surfaces. The retractable cord adds convenience, allowing for hassle-free storage. Alongside its impressive features, the vacuum comes with 4 specialized cleaning tools, enhancing its versatility for tackling pet hair, dirt, and debris. The Kenmore Pet-Friendly vacuum is designed to make cleaning effortless, especially for pet owners. Its lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability, while the comprehensive set of features guarantees a thorough cleaning throughout your home. Experience the next level of cleaning technology with this exceptional vacuum cleaner. BISSELL Zing 2156A. This nifty canister vac gets the job done on hard floors and upholstery. When we tested this model in a home setting, we were impressed by its suction power and how dust and debris it collected in the dustbin. It has both hard floor and carpet modes, so you can tailor the vacuum's suction powers to the surface you're tackling. The bagless design means you won't have to shell out more money on replacement bags, which is ideal. The container emptying process is simple, and we didn't create a mess when dumping out the debris. We were also impressed that longer hair strands didn't get tangled up inside the vacuum. But this model leaves something to be desired when it comes to maneuverability. The floor's head didn't swivel as much as we'd like it to, but the compact design of the vacuum still made it relatively easy to get into nooks and crannies. The 15-foot-long power cord is on the shorter side, but the vacuum does come with a telescoping wand and a crevice tool to elevate your cleaning routine. Ultimately, this budget-friendly vacuum cleaner can be a loyal sidekick on cleaning days and offer much of the same powers and features as some of the more expensive picks. Sanitaire SL3681A. Discover the exceptional cleaning power of the Sanitaire Professional Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner, model SL3681A in stunning blue. Engineered for commercial-grade performance, this compact canister vacuum is an ideal choice for both professional cleaning and home use. The SL3681A features a robust motor that delivers impressive suction, effectively tackling dirt, debris, and even pet hair on various surfaces. With its lightweight design and easy-to-maneuver construction, you'll navigate furniture and tight spaces effortlessly. And equipped with a comprehensive set of attachments, including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery nozzles, this vacuum adapts to a range of cleaning tasks. The 20-foot power cord provides ample reach, minimizing the need for constant outlet changes. Designed for convenience, the SL3681A features a HEPA filtration system that captures allergens and fine particles, promoting cleaner air quality. Its compact size ensures easy storage without compromising on power. Experience professional-grade cleaning in a compact form with the Sanitaire SL3681A Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Whether it's your home or workspace, this versatile and efficient vacuum is your reliable partner for maintaining pristine surroundings. Aspiron. If you're even a little like me, you'll find satisfaction in the way a good cleaning fluff the naps in a rug relieves a little bit of nagging OCD from the renegade nuggets of kitty kibble that's managed to evade your robotic housemates, and oh so subtly changes the colors of the sofa cushions once the house bunny's errant dander has been eradicated. Powering the Aspiron ASCA006 variable speed canister vacuum is a 5-meter retractable cord. Extending the cord is just a pull, but depending on the surface of the canister it's resting upon, you might find it necessary to place a stabilizing hand on the vacuum's body to prevent it from taking it for a walk. Assembling the Aspiron vacuum was painless. The crevice nozzles, upholstery brush, and small brush attachments are all friction fits. Like the hoses, the attachment was snug but not stuck. The vacuum's body does not have an onboard storage for the hand tools. The rubbery brush on the pet power mate can be rotated out the way by unlocking a latch on the side. This allows the brush bars to make more contact with the clean surface and should be great for car floor mats pregnant with boot-borne dirt from a long winter. The vacuum can be carried vertically or horizontally using the handle on the dustbin or the top of the canister, and the vacuum itself is of a comfortable weight. Aspiron's ASCA006 canister vacuum represents an exceptional value, has powerful suction, and is quite elegant in its utility.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.